How to fix TikTok login error on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok login error on your iPhone. So sometimes when you try to log into your TikTok account, you simply cannot log in and it'll keep saying login error or an error has occurred. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix that error. So there are a few different causes as to why the error is occurring. The first one being your internet connection. So if you are having trouble logging in, try switching back and forth from your Wi-Fi to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and then try logging into your account. But if you still can't log into your account, what you can do is go to your app store and now search TikTok. Now right over here it says update, meaning my app is not currently up to date. So that may be the reason why the error is occurring and you are not able to log into your account. So try updating the app, and once the app is updated, try logging back to your account and you may be able to log into your account this time. But if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to general. Now go to iPhone storage and then locate TikTok. Now it will basically provide you with two options, offload app and then delete app. So tap on offload app. Now what offload app will do is it will delete the TikTok app itself, but it will keep all of its documents and data. So try offloading the app, and then once the app is offloaded, simply reinstall the app. Now once you reinstall the app, try logging into your account, but if you are still not able to log back in, as a final resort, what you can do is simply uninstall the app and all of its data, and then reinstall the app and also restart your iPhone. And now once you've done these processes, you'll surely be able to log into your TikTok account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.